Hey guys and gals, this is William Erik Burton with No BS Reviews and Bonuses and Training, and we're here again with a review on a software called VideoFlow. Now, this is, to me, right off the bat, another way of trying to introduce into the general scene of big-time video editors and software. It's an option for those of us, especially beginners and intermediate video creators, to be able to edit their creations easily at home. And this is actually a web-based platform, so it's not something that you're going to have to upload to your computer. So let's go first to the bonuses that we have for VideoFlow. The first bonus is the developer's license for a Social Mobi Videos Pro, which is a revolutionary new video software that creates amazing interactive videos with live opt-in forms. If you know what that means, opt-in forms, you're creating an email list and buttons for web, Facebook, and mobile. Nothing to download or install. It's another platform that's off the internet itself. The second bonus that we have is the developer's license from Video Hub Pro, which I use this myself. You use video galleries to build massive leads, and this product can also send your videos from one place like your database to Facebook, and from there to YouTube, and put it on your website automatically for you too. So that's a wonderful second bonus. The third bonus is a script funnel writer. Okay, now if you're a marketer of any kind, you're going to need something like this, like scripts in your videos, and produce a funnel writer so that you can have a set plan for what people understand about what you're offering in your products and services. Okay, and let's go to the fourth bonus, which is a white label 50 high quality video backgrounds. You don't want to go on the internet and just use any background, because sometimes that's a copyright infringement. So if you have video backgrounds that are white labeled, which means that you can use them at your discretion, there's no video copyright. That's a wonderful option there. And then bonus 5 is 8 steps to creating high converting sales letters. Most people don't know how to do this, including myself. So you can create a business. If you can't sell products, selling it is the most important skill in any business, and it makes it easy. It gives you a step-by-step guide and going walkthrough and proven sales processes to create sales videos that convert. That's the key with any marketer or anyone who's making videos. You need to make videos that can convert your customers. And then obviously bonus 6, how to create professional high-quality training videos. This is just another process of how to make certain specific types of videos. This will be more of when you acquire your customers with your videos that you're making, and this is a training type thing where now you're going to actually train them what they paid for or what they've opted in for, that type of thing. Okay, and then bonus 7 is flat icons. As we can see, again, this is more of a copyright thing. You can't go on Google and just try to get anything you want, because you'll be susceptible to any type of copyright. And this makes sure that you're going to be able to create those yourself. And then obviously the bonus 8, 100 call to action marketing strategy. Now this is obviously another way for CTA software, which is click to action. I believe that's what it means. And you can make short call to action texts for those who don't have the time and knowledge or inspiration to create these for themselves on their own websites. Okay, and then the first special bonus is a social media kit, which one of the most important resources that anyone can have that helps you sell social media services, and they have contacts, documents, strategy documents, and scripts that are proven to convert. Okay, and then the last one, I think I skipped over here. Nope, that was the last one. Actually, no. There's one more. White label rights for consulting in minutes. Instant local consulting professional tools and resources package. So you can see that this VideoFlow creator is not only offering you a platform that you can make videos online, as you'll see here in a moment, they're giving you another basis for building a business. Okay, now we're going to go to my obvious bonuses too that I always consistently have. Now, one of them is YouTube authority. Anytime you're dealing with a platform that you can start to make videos yourself, and we'll get into the details of the platform here in a moment, you're going to need to learn how to get on YouTube and promote on YouTube. Now, eventually you might not want to as a marketer, but that's where a lot of the traffic is at this point. So you go through this free ebook, YouTube authority, and it's going to give you everything you need to start a huge YouTube business. And then Let's Mail obviously is an autoresponder for email. I always offer this out as much as possible because you're going to need to build an email list. It's one of the easiest ways to just push a button with one of your customers purchasing stuff from you every day. Okay, let's get into the actual VideoFlow creation. It's a powerful, engaging, and creating videos for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube in minutes. Now, Instagram is a big one for me. It's really hard to make Instagram videos. Now, they can only go so long, and they're a certain size. So you're going to see in the little demonstration that I give that this is a very solid platform. It's not a desktop platform where you upload the software. It is a web-based software. So that's a plus for some people. Some people don't like that, but it is a plus in a lot of ways. And you can get, obviously, as it says, get paid good money for every video. As a YouTuber, I've made thousands of videos, and I can tell you firsthand that when you make $3,000 or $4,000 off of one video that you produce that it took maybe an hour for you to make, you start to kind of understand, yeah, that's why videos are worth it, and it's worth to put time in. Social media ready type videos in 3 easy steps. You're going to see how you can go from step to step to step in our demonstration of the platform. You can select any size you want. You can create videos quickly and easily for video ad stories or even video updates. And then obviously get clients on demand with effective videos, and they want them delivered fast. So this is a way for you to have this for life. It's a lifetime thing. It doesn't cost very much, so that's one of the positive things about it, because with most platforms that I've used, it's a fairly expensive thing, and they want to keep updating it, and it's something that I had to upload on my computer. It wasn't from the web itself, to where you don't really have to worry about space on your computer. And so doing that, you can create videos that will give you clientele. That people that don't want to deal with it, if you learn how to use this platform effectively, you're going to be able to expand a business for yourself. Okay, fiddle-free creation, as you'll see, it's pretty easy, hands-on. Designers demand Swiss Army knives start eating away at your profits. Well, this is a little video that they put together. Video builders are being sold as Swiss Army knives. So basically what they're meaning is it's a little in your pocket thing, and this is what VideoFlow is. It's in your pocket. You can open it up anytime, and you can go with the flow there and build an audience with it. It basically explains that to you. So scale up video production the smart way, obviously crushing the competition. An introduction to VideoFlow, burn captions into your videos fast. As you'll see here in a moment, I might give you a little demonstration of that. Fast editing like you've never seen before. It's pretty fast. It cuts your time down slightly, quite a bit actually. Wrap your videos and drive massive click flows through. Import videos from mobile, website, or desktop. You can do that as well. And then it's basically an editing platform to where you can cut and paste and create and publish short traffic getting videos. Obviously, they're really pushing on the full commercial rights license that this has, but also they're pushing on the fact that you can create quick videos that don't take you quite as long to where you can sell them to customers, to businesses that are looking to promote their business. So loaded with the very best features for marketers. And you'll see there's some upsells to this that you'll have to get with some of the explanations they're giving you here, like instant spice up your videos with transitions. I don't know that that's in the current basic option here. We'll see here in a minute. But created color optimized filters. Now, I think that's still a part of the basic plan. Engaging text styles. Obviously, that should be a part of every base model. Export up to 4K or instantly publish videos. That's awesome. 4K is awesome. That's wonderful. Cloud-based video editor. Fast and easy editing system. Create, watch, and silence videos. Wrap videos. Captivating videos and transition and color optimized filters. Engaging textiles. Commercial license. That's pretty much it for the basic model. Okay, let's get into the actual back office of VideoFlow. Okay, this is the basic model. And as you're going to see, you're going to come up to this first entry here, and you're going to say, well, Erik, where is everything? Well, they've made it pretty easy. There's a few icons here. You can see my videos, my profile settings, training. That's a wonderful thing. As long as they have training on here, you're good to go. So you can click your little icon there and see that. You get support as well. And then I don't know what happens if you click this icon. Not much. Okay, it just resets the page. But definitely you go up to the left corner here and you'll see my videos that you've made, your profile, your settings, your training. Obviously, there's going to be quite a bit of training in here for this platform. Remember, it's all based on the web, so it's not on your computer itself. So overview, how to use the editor, how to download a VideoFlow video, it's awesome, how to preview a video, how to edit and save video on VideoFlow, how to rename your file, video file, how to delete a video project, how to add captions to a video, publish your player, or publish it to your player, and how to create a new project. Okay, so okay, as you can see, we can go over to Create Video here in VideoFlow. I'll left click on that. And you can see they give you some options. Now, this is the base option. You can select from whatever canvas, a blank canvas. They have a background here. Use this template. They have several templates in here. Now, the upsells are adding more templates to your back office. You can also add templates from outside this platform. If you have templates of your own from somewhere else or in a bonus, remember those background templates. You can use those bonus background templates for that. So let's go ahead and look at maybe this template here and using this template. You can see it's pretty quick. Okay, it renders pretty quickly here up to a point where I can do my thing. Now we've got some backgrounds here that they obviously let you use. I'm pretty sure you can scroll over with this. Notice how I use that generating frames. And then obviously what you can do is generate it this way. Now, this is a little bit more of a manual way. But there's a background that I've created, okay, fairly quickly. Okay. And there's a few bells and whistles you're going to need to check on: your images, your video footage. Obviously over here is writing any type of words. Okay, maybe I'll have to double click that. Notice I had to double click that. Okay, and then I can take that off and maybe put happy birthday up here. And notice I pulled the rest off the screen. It's okay. That's kind of the way I do it fairly quickly. There's a happy birthday. It's basically a happy birthday card. Okay, that type of thing in video style. So there's a lot of bells and whistles here. Here's the publishing. You click on this little icon here, left click it, and you can see publish now, save and close, preview video. It'll give you a little preview. And the rendering looks like it's fairly quick. This is really beginner and advanced beginner oriented for people who just want a fairly quick process here. And notice that background also has a flow to it. I didn't realize that. That's awesome. Okay. So we can go back here and pause the video, and we can come back up there's an upgraded Pro version that you'll want to at least check into. So we've got a lot of backgrounds here. We could use our own blank background as well. And this is really good to at least start your ability to start learning how to edit and render videos and give your customers and or just yourself, your family, whatever, the ability to make videos right in front of you. Now, uploading a video from, say, a camera that you're using is going to be one of the options here. Okay, so there's images, obviously, video footages. As you can see here now, it also says drag and drop to upload. So if I double click there, notice I can upload a video on here. Okay, let's try that actually. Let's see how quick that renders here. Let me see which one I can use here. Let's go here. Let's see how quickly this uploads. I see the percentage rate. It's not too bad. It's uploading pretty quickly, actually. So whenever you have a file on your computer, you're going to be able to upload to this fairly quickly. That was an MP4 file, and it's processing fairly quickly in the process here. So there are some factors here in learning this platform fairly consistently. It's not going to happen immediately, but you can go through, obviously, the training videos that we saw in the beginning here. If I go back to the front page here, remember, we'll go back to this spot here, and you can go into your trainings and obviously see everything that you need to understand how to use this editing software. Okay, so with that said, make sure that if you're interested, click on the link in the description and get started with making videos from home. This is a one-time paying type thing, so you don't have to pay for upgrades unless you want to upgrade to the next level. But this platform, you can use this normal platform for your entire career if you want to. Okay, so again, I thank you for watching these reviews, and check out our bonuses and check out VideoFlow, the personal one. And if you're looking to upgrade, there are upgrades and added bells and whistles to that. And hopefully this will work for you. I give it a 3 to 3.5 stars. I think it's a solid platform, but at the same time, I think there's a few issues. Obviously, one of them is you have to make a few more upsell purchases to purchase a more of an upgrade to the system. But as you can see, it flows pretty well, and these bonuses are probably second to none when it comes to this platform. And VideoFlow is a solid platform that you can use. It's a good replacement for those expensive editing softwares to edit your videos. So again, this is William Erik Burton from No BS Reviews, Bonuses, and Training. Have a great day, guys and gals.